What to do with something like this. There's a rule for exponents and radicals that says if you have the square root of a, you can rewrite that as a to the 1/2. So the 1/2 exponent and the square root are actually the same operation, just written in a different way. So all these little root signs, I'm going to change them all to exponents and then use an exponent law here. So we got 5 in the middle. It has a square root on top of it, so that's 5 to the 1/2. And then that has a square root on top of it, so it's another 1/2 exponent. And then that has another square root, so there's another 1/2 exponent. And all of that is being raised to the 16th power. It's a rainbow. There's a rule here in exponents that says if you raise a power to a power, you multiply the exponents. A squared raised to the 5th power is a to the 10th, and so 5 raised to all these powers is going to be 5, and then all of these exponents are multiplied together. So let's write that out, and all of a sudden that problem looks a lot easier. When you multiply 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2, that's 1/8. And now we have 5 to the 1/8 times 16, which is 5 to the 16 over 8. So the fun, ugly little thing we started with actually simplifies to being 5 squared, which is 25. I didn't see that coming.